Alright, here's another example where we have trig function and we have something inside other than x. We're taking the sine of cosine of x, and in this case that's going to be our u, the cosine of x. And the derivative of that is negative sine of x dx. So we've got this sine of x and the dx. For the du we just need to make it negative, so we multiply the inside by negative 1, outside by negative 1. And we end up with just sine of u. This cosine of x becomes our u, and the negative sine of x dx becomes our du. So we're left with sine of u du. We have to change these also. So if we put pi over 2 in, we're doing cosine of pi over 2, and cosine of pi over 2 is just 0. Put 0 in, cosine of 0 is 1. So we need to evaluate antiderivative of sine of u. So antiderivative of sine is negative cosine, but we have this negative on the outside, so it's just going to end up being cosine of u, and we're evaluating that from 1 to 0. So we get cosine of 0 minus cosine of 1. And cosine of 0, we can evaluate that. That's a nice one. That's just going to be 1. Cosine of 1, not so nice. It's going to be a decimal. So I'm just going to keep it as an exact answer, and that's 1 minus cosine of 1.